Hey, here's a little life hack for you when it comes to painting. Get yourself some Press and Seal. You probably already have it in the kitchen. Um, if you know you're going to be painting later, cover your brushes with Press and Seal. It eliminates, no air will get to these brushes. And your roller as well. And I use a regular plate I get from Target. They're not the fancy plates, just the plastic ones that we use every day for dinner or whatever. But I put a layer of Press and Seal over it, and I pour my paint right on top. When I'm done, I just peel the Press and Seal off and wash the plate as I ordinarily would. There will be no paint on the plate. So what I found is this Press and Seal will last. You'll be able to come back to this brush or this roller 2 days later, no problem. They'll still be just as wet and ready to receive and paint just as well. So save your money on those fancy paint trays. Just use Press and Seal.